India, only 1 in 100 women who face sexual violence reported to the police. My name is Niharika and I work with Amnesty International India. If you've ever faced sexual harassment or violence and chosen to report it to the police, or have accompanied someone to register such a complaint, we want to hear from you. Our campaign, Ready to Report, aims to inspire women and men to talk about their challenges of reporting sexual violence to the police. Why did you choose to go? What was your experience like? Did the police cooperate? What would you have liked done differently? Your experience could provide others with the confidence to approach the police if they wish to. Share your experiences with us by clicking this link or by emailing us on contact@readytoreport.in. We won't share your details with anyone without your explicit consent.